Hi Hartsbrook, it's Mr. Sharon, and I am just getting ready for a break. I hope you are as well, but I'm looking back on December and realizing what a breathless and busy month it has been. First of all, we had some snow, which made it great for sledding, and I had so much fun watching everyone sled. I even got in a few runs myself. We also had the opportunity to celebrate and have some festivals, including the Winter Festival, which had a beautiful evergreen spiral that many of us got to walk. We got to see lots of music and sing along. We had the middle school music festival, the grades music concert, and we also experienced a beautiful solstice event in the high school that was featuring the orchestras and choruses. That was a lovely event. There has been so much art that's been living in the hallways and in the classrooms, and that's something that is really enriching and unique. And our seniors had a really beautiful presentation of the community in their Lyceum lectures, and I was really moved by every word they were able to share. I want to take a moment to wish everyone a restful and restorative holiday break, and I can't wait to see you in 2026. See you soon, Hartsbrook.